For number 9, if the definite integral from -1 to 1 of e to the negative x squared dx equals k, we want to figure out what's the definite integral from -1 to 0 of e to the negative x squared. So this goes back to something we talked about when we started talking about definite integrals and even functions. Right? Remember, if a function is even, what does that mean?
2, 4, 6.
Symmetric over the y-axis. So our most common even function, I'm just doing this off to the side, is a parabola, right? So we talked about how a parabola, if we were going from, like, let's say -1 to 1, and this is not the graph that goes with this, but just a basic example, that this area is going to be the same as this area, right? They're both positive, same size. So if it's even, that's what's going to happen. These are going to be the same. Well, e to the negative x squared is an even function, right? No matter whether we put a positive x value or a negative x value, that's always going to come out to be the same thing. So this is an even function, which means this is going to happen. Same on both sides of the axis. So if the area under the curve from -1 to 1 is k, what's the area under the curve going to be from -1 to 0? Half of that. Right? So looking at this example, if all of this area together was k, then the area from here to here is only going to be half of that.
So if it was like an odd function, like the other half was below the axis, but
Then the area would be 0 to begin with. This area would have to be 0.